Hey guys, it's your boy Danny Cruz, aka Figgy. You know who it is, and look where I am. I'm not home. It's not dark. I have a fig bar. I'm eating it in broad daylight. You know what time it is? Eating a fig bar with Daniel. What's the time? I don't know. Cause this time I have a cameraman. Right? Right, cameraman?
Yeah.
There you go. New experience. I can't just eat fig bars at home, you know. It's pretty much dark and you guys can't see. Well, might as well show you the experience of eating a fig bar at daylight. Stop! No! Stop! There goes one. No. Time for the second one. This is my breakfast, by the way.
I'm watching you, okay? You're gonna eat them and make sense.
Yeah. Mama, I'm a criminal. Oh, I can't. Wouldn't it be funny if the cameraman, my old cameraman, just walks up? Oh yeah, look guys. Homer and Mr. Burns. I completed the fig bar. I don't have my water bottle to, drink, but this episode, I have a new cameraman. Say hi, cameraman. Yeah, this is Danny Cruz, aka Figgy. You know who it is, and yeah.